machine learning, cloud, hybrid cloud, digital transformation, DevOps, blockchain, virtual reality, IoT, cybersecurity, smart data. What are we playing? Do you have inventory control of all IT assets? Hardware, software, applications, patches, components, etc.? Proactivanet enables you to instantly, extensively, and automatically know the inventory of the entire IT park. Everything. The known and the unknown. Showing you 110% of your assets. You can control the actual use of the software and reduce costs. You won't have to pay for software licenses that your users don't use. Eliminate the thousands of hours you lose diagnosing the origin of your incidents and increase your support team's productivity. Control any change in your infrastructure. Outdated systems, vulnerable computers, and few hands. Everything under control. All this without installing anything. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Proactivanet. Sleep easy.